Hello farmers, this is Saudi Kamau. I'm in Uganda now. We have delivered some animals. This is the second batch. We delivered some animals last week. We have another batch of 3 animals, super animals. These are male calf. Being the 8 liters a day. Has a calf, a he calf. We have also a lean calf here. There's 8 months in calf. You have also another one here. Also 8 months in calf. You have other animals you delivered. Manager?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Anika Biola. This is Mukoro district. We are in Kaini village.
Uganda? Yeah. How many liters are the animals giving, the one we delivered last week?
Last week, one gives us 20 in the 13 in the morning, in the evening.
How many liters in the morning?
In the morning, we took 20 liters in 2 animals.
Okay.
So that you are seeing there. Another one is there.
How many is that one giving?
There in the morning now, one now gives us 10 liters. Another one gives us 13 liters.
Okay.
So if you deal with Paulo farm, you cannot fail to get what you want.
Good then.